Hey everybody, I'm Jer. Welcome to my YouTube. Okay, so if we go today, I'm gonna do a video because, a video on Nancy Pelosi. She yesterday talked about how she thinks that it should very much be legal for um, politicians to own and trade stocks. And so I was like, well, I wonder what all does she own? Like, does she own stocks herself? And the answer is absolutely yes. Let's first start off with the video from yesterday, which was the 15th. Okay.
A 5-month investigation finding that 49 members of Congress and 182 senior congressional staffers have violated the Stock Act, the insider trading law. I'm wondering if you have any reaction to that, and secondly, should members of Congress and their spouses be banned from trading individual stocks while serving in Congress?
No, I don't know to the second one. We have a responsibility to report in the stock, on the stock, but I'm not familiar with that 5-month review, but if people aren't reporting, they should be. Because this is a free market and we're a free market economy, they should be able to participate in that.
Okay, there you go. So it made me wonder, what all does she own, if she owns anything? So I started doing some looking around, and let's pull this up really quick. If you go to housestockwatcher.com, you can look up summary by rep, and here are all the representatives for Congress. All of these people, all of these Congress people, have done at least one trade since the beginning of 2020. Some of these people have done more trades than I have in the last 2 years, to be honest. Okay, so let's go back up here. Nancy was pretty close to the top up here. There she is. 48 transactions since the beginning of 2020. Let's look at her. Okay, 48 transactions. Total trade volume, buying and selling, 51,640,024. Trade type ratio, purchases versus sell trade, partial or full. 34 purchases, 14 sells. She last reported 5 months ago. She is mostly in technology, it looks like, with a little in finance, some in consumer services, and then other miscellaneous. Industries. Computer software programming, 11 million. Computer software, prepackaged software, 11 million. Computer manufacturing, 9 million. Consumer electronic video chains, 3 million. Business services, 3 million. Specialty distribution, 5 million. Semiconductors, 4 million. Okay. Breakdown of the transactions performed. So this was kind of interesting to me. So she sold all of her Facebook in August of 2020. Microsoft she bought in March of this year. Between 1 and 5 million, it doesn't give me. Exercised 150 call options that expired March 19th. Okay. In here, more call options. 10,000 shares. $140. Exercised 100. Okay. Roblox. Look. 10,000 shares. She purchased 10,000 shares. Roblox is cool. I like Roblox a lot because it's kind of it is a metaverse. It's a metaverse. And I think they have a great future ahead of them. So smart on Nancy. Purchased back in February of 2021. AB between 500,000 and 1 million, between 500,000 and 1 million. So within like that week there, she purchased quite a bit. 15,000 shares. 25,000 shares. Wow. What is EB? Alliance Bernstein Holding. Hey. Transactions from 2020. A recent transaction, July 23rd. July 23rd. You. Purchased 5,000 shares in NVIDIA. Purchased 50 call options with a strike price of 100 for September 16th, 2022. Sold off work. His work. This doesn't. I don't know. I don't know what work is. The symbol for the first thing that comes up is workhorse. I'm not for sure if that's what she had or not. Bought Google in June. He bought doesn't show how many shares. Between $1 and $5 million worth. Amazon in May doesn't show how many shares, but between 500,000 and $1 million worth. Apple in May. More NVIDIA. How many times has she? Yeah. Between 1 million and 5 million in NVIDIA. She really believes in the metaverse, which is NVIDIA's like focus is chips and graphics cards, I believe. But they're very heavy into working to create hardware to put the metaverse on. She must see the value in it too. All right, so if you want to see what Nancy Pelosi is trading, she last reported 5 months ago. I don't know if she's done anything. She probably hasn't done anything since then, but possibly because there's a lot of representatives, politicians who aren't reporting like they should be. But yeah, here. So yeah, there you have it. Millions upon millions of dollars that Nancy Pelosi has used in trading stocks, investing in trading, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, if you're ever wondering what Nancy Pelosi owns as far as stocks and why she is for politicians owning stocks, supposedly because it's a free market and they deserve to be a part of that free market exchange. That's how you do it. You go to housestockwatcher.com and you can look her up, and any other politician, you can look them up and find what exactly they own, when, if they've sold, what they bought, how much they bought, how much they sold. $54 million is a lot. but it is what it is. It's legal right now for politicians to do it. So there you have it. $54 million worth of stocks, mostly in the technology sector. And it looks like focused on things that will benefit greatly from having a metaverse, Roblox, or creating metaverses, NVIDIA. So a lot of money in there. Cool. That's all I have for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. And that's all I have. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy holidays if you celebrate any holidays, whatever holidays you celebrate. I hope they're great. And I will see you all very, very soon. Bye. Mwah.